Dear students, this is your diagram master. In the Hermite polynomial, we have seen generating function of Hermite polynomial and afterwards orthogonal properties of Hermite polynomial. Now let us switch over to Rodriguez formula of Hermite polynomial. Rodriguez formula for Hermite polynomial. What that is? Hn(x) is equal to minus 1 power n into e power x square d to the power of n by dx power n of e power minus x square. That is the Rodriguez formula. We have to prove this. Okay. By generating function, as you know, by generating function, this equality holds. E to the power of 2tx minus t square is equal to sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity t power n by n factorial into Hn(x). Partially differentiating the equation with respect to x n times, what do you get? D power n by dou power n by dou t power n of, we are differentiating with respect to t partially n times. Therefore, dou power n by dou t power n of e to the power of 2tx minus t square is equal to, on the right hand side what you have, dou power n by dou t power n of, elaborate this one. When n is 0, h0x, h1x, t into h1x, t square by 2 factorial into h2x, so on so forth. For n minus 1, n minus term is t power n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial hn minus 1, and nth term is t power n by n factorial into hnx, going on. So let us differentiate this with respect to t. As we are differentiating with respect to t, the x term will get 0, 0. And what about this? This one here. Nth derivative with respect to t at t is equal to 0. At t is equal to 0, therefore h0, this is 0. When t is 0, this one is 0, this two is, everything is 0. Here you have t power n by n factorial. If you differentiate with respect to t, that is n factorial, already denominator is n factorial by n factorial into hn of x. Here t exists, n factorial t, and in the next term t exists. Wherever t exists, all those gets 0. This is a nth derivative of the constant function 0. Although there is t differentiating n times, first time it is 1, second time it is 0. In the same way, t square 2t, afterwards 2, afterwards third derivative dou cube by dou t cube is 0. Likewise, here all the terms up to n minus 1 gets 0. Why? Because this is a partial derivative with respect to t n times, and these all are the terms less than t power n. Therefore, all these gets a 0. This is a t power n by n factorial hnx. So, derivative of this one is nth derivative of t power n is n factorial. This is nth derivative of t power n is n factorial by n factorial hnx. Here, this is a n factorial t by n plus 1 factorial hn plus 1. Their terms exist. From nth term onwards, there will be some terms. Up to n minus 1, t power n minus 1, all gets a 0. Now, d power n by dt power n of e power 2tx minus t square at t is equal to 0. Apply t is equal to 0. These are already 0. Here onwards, t exists. Therefore, all the terms gets 0 except this one, which include hnx. Only this term exists. Remaining all are already 0. When we take t is equal to 0, the nth derivative or partial derivative at t is equal to 0, all these terms gets 0. Only hnx exists. Therefore, hnx is equal to dou power n by dou t power n of e power 2tx, that can be written as e power 2tx minus t square plus x square minus x square. So that is e power x square into minus of e power x minus t whole square. What is x minus t whole square? X square plus t square minus 2tx. X square plus t square minus 2tx. X square plus t square minus 2tx. Minus is taken out. Therefore, that is minus x square minus tt square plus 2tx. Therefore, everything, these powers up to here, e power x square goes out, minus x square, that can be written, and that way e power minus of x minus t whole square. Okay, this does not contain any t, therefore that will be treated as constant. Why? Because we are partially differentiating with respect to t, therefore take out e power x square, dou power n by dou t power n of e power of minus x minus t whole square. What that is? Put x minus t is equal to u. In order to differentiate this one, put x minus t is equal to u. Dou by dou t of x minus t. What that is? Dou by dou t of x minus t with respect to t. The derivative of x is 0. That is minus 1. And this is dou by dou t of u. Dou u by dou t. So the value of dou u by dou t is minus 1. Now we can write dou by dou t as dou by dou u into dou u by dou t. Dou by dou u into dou u by dou t. That is nothing but dou by dou t. But dou u by dou t is minus 1. Therefore, minus 1 into dou by dou u. That is minus dou by dou u. Dou by dou t is minus dou by dou u. Therefore, here h n x becomes e power x square. Dou power n by dou t power n is minus 1 power into dou power n by dou u power n. Dou by dou t is minus dou u by dou n. Dou by dou t is minus dou by dou u. So n times dou power n by dou t power n is minus 1 power into dou power n by dou u power n. Replace this there. What you get is e power x square minus 1 power n. In place of this, we get this one, minus 1 power n dou power n by dou u power n into e power minus u square. As we have substituted, x minus t is equal to u, therefore that is e power minus u square. Nth derivative with respect to partial derivative, partially differentiating with respect to u n times, partially differentiating with respect to u n times, and this is e power minus u square. Only u function is there, and we are partially differentiating with respect to u. Partially differentiating with respect to u, the u function, complete u function is nothing but total derivative of e power u minus u square. What you have? D by dx of x square is 2x, total derivative. Dou by dou x of x square is, that is also 2x. Why? Because this is x function only. In that way, dou by dou nth derivative with respect to u of e power minus u square is nothing but total derivative, d power n by du power n of e power minus u square. So this is with respect to u. We may replace u with x, y or something. For any variable, this is the same. So that can be rewritten as d power n by dx power n of e power minus x square. Both are same, we get the same value, right? If you write this is a d by dx, and you may replace with this is x square, d by dou by dou y of y square. What you get? 2y. So u can be replaced with x. D power n by dx power n of e power minus x square is same as d power n by du power n of e power minus u square. That is Rodriguez formula for Hermite polynomial. We have seen Rodriguez formula just now. Now, first few polynomials of Hermite. Finding first few polynomials of Hermite. What are the first few? first when n is 0, h naught x, h1x, h2x, h3x, h4x, all these are first few polynomials of h&x. By Rodriguez formula, what you have, this is by Rodriguez formula, h&x is equal to minus 1 power n into e power x square d power n by dx power n of e power minus x square. This is by Rodriguez formula we have. So in this, put n is equal to 0. h0 of x is equal to minus 1 power 0 e power x square d power 0 by dx power 0 of e power minus x square. That means there is no derivative of e power minus x square. Minus 1 power 0 is 1 e power x square, and we are not differentiating. D power 0 by dx power 0 means we are not differentiating e power minus x square. E power minus x square remains as it is. So e power minus x square, e power x square into e power minus x square, that is 1. E power 0, that is 1. Next, h1x is equal to minus 1 power 1 e power x square d by dx. N is 1, so this is d by dx of e power minus x square. That means first derivative of e power minus x square. Minus 1 power 1 is minus e power x square. First derivative is e power minus x square into x square derivative minus 2x. So minus becomes plus 2x e power minus x square into e power x square into e power minus x square, that is 1. This is minus of minus 2x plus 2x. In the similar way, h2x is equal to minus 1. h2x is equal to minus 1 whole square e power x square d square by dx square of e power minus x square. Minus 1 whole square, that is plus e power x square. Second derivative of e power minus x square. So that is d by dx of first derivative is minus 2x into e power minus x square and e power x square into minus 2 into, again we differentiate d by dx of the internal value x into e power minus x square, differentiating which we get 4x square minus 2 clearly. And third one, h3 of x is equal to minus 1 whole cube e power x square d cube by dx cube of e power minus x square. That can be written as minus e power x square d square by dx square of first derivative of this one minus 2x e power minus x square. So this is minus e power x square minus 2 into d by dx of x e power minus x square, differentiating which the internal term is e power minus x square minus 2x into x into, that means minus 2x square e power minus x square, and that is 2 e power x square, again differentiating this minus 2x into e power minus x square, this u into v, two terms will come, in simplifying which we get 8x cube minus 12x. That is also given in your notebook. If needed, we have to find when n is 3, h4 of x. This is the first few, means first, second, third, fourth, first 4 polynomials. If we need, we substitute n is equal to 4 and we get h4 of x in the same fashion. In the Rodriguez formula, we put n is equal to 0, n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3 and differentiate. Okay. Right. Next we go for another form of Hermite, afterwards recurrence relations.